Welcome students to the Social Studies class for Standard 4. We have studied Chapter 11, Important Cities. In the last two classes, we have studied the 4 important cities. So, now let us continue. Today, major in this class, we are going to do the exercise. Before going to the exercise part, let us recall what we have studied. Read this paragraph in the yellow box. From here you may get fill in the blanks or true or false. All the important lines are here. So let us read once and see. Delhi is the capital of India. You can get the question. Dash is the capital of India. You'll write Delhi. The president, the prime minister and members of parliament live in Delhi. Third, Mumbai is the main seaport on the west coast of India. Okay, Mumbai is a coastal place. We find it in the western coast and it has a main seaport there. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. This we have studied. You must have revised the lesson that in Mumbai, as it is a coastal area, here the climate is neither too hot and nor too cold. The same you have in Kolkata also. The climate of Kolkata is also neither too hot nor too cold, because Kolkata and Mumbai are places in the coastal areas. Chennai is warm throughout the year. Okay, there it rains in the winter season. If you remember, in the winters it rains, and the climate there is throughout very warm, and that is why here the people wear cotton clothes. The Howrah Bridge is the most famous landmark of Kolkata. And where is Howrah Bridge located? It is located in the banks of river Hooghly. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Kolkata. So, students, here are the few most important points which you will read. Now, let us move on to the assignments given below. Think and answer. First, we will do number A. Tick the right answer. So, 3 options will be given to you. First, we will see the 3 options and then we will choose the correct answer and put a tick there. Number 1, New Delhi was designed by Edwin Lutyens, Herbert Baker, Le Corbusier. So your correct answer is Edwin Lutyens. New Delhi was designed by Edwin Lutyens. 2. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is at. Choice given is Shantivan, Rajghat, Vijay. So your correct option is Rajghat. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is at Rajghat. Do you know whose Samadhi is at Shantivan? Our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's Samadhi is at Shantivan. And whose Samadhi is at Vijay? Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was also our Prime Minister. So the correct option here is Rajghat. Now we move on to number 3. The most famous landmark of Mumbai is Juhu Beach, Gateway of India, Marine Drive. We know that these all 3 places are found in Mumbai. They are the beach, Juhu Beach and Marine Drive. They are a beautiful place for Juhu, near the sea. But the most famous landmark of Mumbai is Gateway of India. This is the correct option. So the most famous landmark of Mumbai is Gateway of India. So all of you have marked. Now we move on to number 4. The most important festival of Chennai is Onam, Pongal, Durga Puja. So the most important festival of Chennai is Pongal. Do you know Onam is the important festival of which place? Kerala. And Durga Puja is the famous festival of Kolkata. So here the correct option is Pongal. The most important festival of Chennai is Pongal. Now number 5. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river. Choices are Kaveri, Hooghly, Padma. So here your correct answer is river Hooghly. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. So this all 5. I hope you all have marked. Let's check the answer once more. New Delhi was designed by Edwin Lutyens. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is as Rajghat. The most famous landmark of Mumbai is Gateway of India. The most important festival of Chennai is Pongal. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. Now we come to number B. Match the following. We will match the column A with the second column, the correct answers. So Red Fort. Red Fort. The correct option is Delhi. All of you write there number 1, Delhi. Bombay High, petroleum. Bombay High is in Mumbai, and we find refineries and petroleum is the main product there. Tamil, language of Chennai. People of Chennai speak Tamil. Bharatnatyam, dance. It is the dance form, classical dance form of the people of Chennai. And Ramakrishna Mission, Belur. We have studied in Kolkata Belur Math, which is famous for a Ramakrishna Mission there. So match the following. We finished number B. Now let us turn the page and we move on to our next number C. Fill in the blanks. Choose the words from the box given. Now there are few words, children. You can see Ganesh Chaturthi, cricket ground, Delhi, Tamil and Rajpath. So options are given here. Now we will choose the correct option and fill here in the blanks. Number 1, dash is called Mini India. Delhi is called Mini India. This is how you will choose from here and write it in the blank here. Second one, the road which connects the Rashtrapati Bhavan with India Gate is called Rajpath. So mark and write there Rajpath. Dash is the main festival of Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Mumbai. Number 4, dash is the main language of people of Chennai. Tamil is the main language of people of Chennai. Number 5, the Eden Gardens is a famous cricket ground. So all of you have written let us see once again. Read the answers. Delhi is called Mini India. The road which connects the Rashtrapati Bhavan with India is called Rajpath. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Mumbai. Tamil is the main language of people of Chennai. The Eden Gardens is a famous cricket ground. Now we move on to number D. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Number 1. Earlier Chennai was known as Madras. So the answer is true. So write there T. 2. Holi is the most important festival of Chennai. Answer is false. So write there F. Elephanta caves are located near Kolkata. The statement is again false. Elephanta caves are located near Mumbai is the correct answer. So number 3 is also false. Number 4, the Nehru Planetarium is located in Gujarat. It's false. Number 5, the Mughal gardens are in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. True. So all of you have marked the answer. So students, we finish our chapter. These question answers number E has been given to you in the assignments, and I hope you all have finished the work in your school copy. So thank you students, and have a nice weekend and take care of yourself.